Incoming device is an iPad Mini 1, black in color. Rear camera lens is may actually be cracked. There is packing tape placed over. Camera spans over to the front device. Taking a look at the front device. Touch does pass the 6-point digitizer test. Check the cameras. Rear camera is a little bit hazy. Front camera not able to test the front camera. Testing the power button, volume buttons, and volume switch. They are functional and give smooth feedback. Charging port does look like it is sitting snug. No touch ID on this device. Taking a look, it is charging at 1.6 amperes, and customers bring in the device because there is a crack on the digitizer that spans from the top right corner of the device and spiders out to the left side of the device all the way to the lower as well. A little bit of a delay in the touch. And taking a look at it, model number is A1432, seeing an incoming charge current of 1.5 amp.